How to download and install Google Chrome in your PC or Windows 10, 11, whatever you're using. So in this video tutorial I'm going to talk about how you can easily download the Chrome browser and install it to your PC. So let's start with the video, guys. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget to comments below. So for download you need the one browser. So if you're using the window 10, then maybe the you must be have the Microsoft Edge. Okay, just open the Microsoft Edge, or if you don't have Microsoft Edge, then you can use the Internet Explorer. You can come to the search here and type the Internet Explorer, sorry, Internet Explorer. Okay, this browser, this is by default browser. Every Windows 10, 7, 11, everyone has this. Every Windows has this. So just click and open it. It is Internet Explorer by default browser. Okay, so we are basic on it. Okay, so I use Microsoft Edge here to show you. Open the any browser you have and come to the Google. Okay, I lost my internet, let me check. Okay, come to the Google and tab here download Chrome English or any other language you want. And this is official website google.com. Just click on it and just check the official website. And yeah, this is as per your computer configuration, it will be show you the perfect application to download your computer. In my case I have Windows 10 and 64 byte, so I can download it. It will be synchronize your system, and it will be show the perfect updated browser, Chrome browser to you. Now you need to just download the Chrome browser, then one file will be download here. Just check the download. Okay, or you can check here in downloads, go to the see more, or go to the open the folder, open the download folder, and here you can see it is downloading now. Okay, so let it complete. I think it is complete now. Yeah, it is completed. Open the folder, and now you have to install it. Just double click on it, then one pop-up window will be open, and then your installation will be start. After installation you will find the Chrome browser on your home page, or you can search from here Chrome only, and you will find this application. You can open it. Okay, so that is how you can download and install the Chrome. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.